Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to use low gear in an automatic car. Low gear, often marked as L1 or 2, provides your vehicle with increased engine braking and torque. This is incredibly useful for specific driving situations. It helps your car maintain a controlled speed without relying solely on your brakes, preventing them from overheating and fading, especially on long descents. Understanding its purpose is the first step to safer driving. Knowing when to engage low gear is crucial for optimal performance and safety. You should consider using it when descending steep hills, particularly those with a grade steeper than 5%. It's also highly recommended when towing heavy loads, such as a trailer weighing over 1,000 pounds, to manage the extra weight effectively. Furthermore, low gear offers superior control in challenging off-road conditions, giving you better command over your vehicle. Engaging low gear is straightforward. First, locate the L1 or 2 position on your automatic transmission's gear selector. While your vehicle is moving at a relatively low speed, ideally under 30 miles per hour, simply shift the lever into the desired low gear position. It's important to avoid shifting into low gear at high speeds, as this can put excessive strain on your transmission and potentially cause damage. Always shift smoothly. The benefits of using low gear are significant. It dramatically reduces wear and tear on your vehicle's braking system, extending the life of your brake pads and rotors. You'll also experience enhanced control and stability, especially on challenging terrain or during steep descents. Remember, always consult your car's specific owner's manual for detailed instructions and any unique recommendations for your particular make and model. Drive safely and confidently.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.